Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your Sony TV model and the exact Google TV/Android version. This determines available removal methods. Once confirmed, backup profiles and app data and make sure you have Wi-Fi credentials written down. Next, enable developer options by tapping build number 7 times, then turn on USB debugging. This is required if you plan to use ADB to disable system apps. Do these now so later steps run smoothly without unexpected lockouts. You now attempt the least invasive route. Open Settings, go to Apps, select Google TV or Google App, then force Stop, clear data, and disable. If that's blocked, connect a computer and use ADB. Pair with the TV, run a DB devices to confirm, then uninstall for the current user with a DB shell PM uninstall user 0com. Google, Android, TV. If uninstall fails, disable the package instead with a DB shell PM disable user 0, followed by the package name. You finish by rebooting the TV and checking that Google TV no longer auto-starts and that other apps function. If something breaks, avoid repeated random fixes. Do a factory reset only as a last resort and restore your backup afterward. Make sure developer options remain enabled so you can rerun ADB commands if needed. If the TV becomes unstable, re-enable the original package or perform the disable/uninstall steps again. This typically resolves missing UX elements caused by partial removals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.